Keep in mind, I do not joke around. I do not giggle. I do not try to have fun. I do not try to laugh. Lumber, hope you have a successful channel.
Oh, I gotta have some Dr. Pepper today.
Shout out Lumber channel. I mean, like, I keep things from McDonald's breakfast.
I'm the Wings of Redemption Troll Lord 9000.
No, we're not doing Rainbow Six probably for a while. Now's your guys' chance to get more likes than dislikes. Most people know you're a good dude. You'll get through this. There's always sunshine at the end of the rain. It's just I just don't like uncertainty, right? I don't like, because like I don't do anything to hurt anybody, right? No, I don't like, nobody has to donate to me, right? Like, I don't sit here and be like, you know, like, there's nobody forcing people to donate to me. Like, people doing it on their own volition. But it's like, what do I like? Why pick on me like this? Well, it is what it is, dude. Like, we rely on the money that I make. Why do you think I press so hard to make a certain amount of money every month? Like, especially right now, like, you know, got all these home repairs to do and shit like that. And like, I'm always stressed out, and then like you just see people want to come in and joke, and like I'm over here stressed out to the max. Like, I've been deep into this Orion grind just to keep my mind stable. Kelly contributes. I mean, Kelly makes about as much money as I do, but like, Kelly has bills of her own. Kelly has fucking, what was that shit, school loans and shit like that. She has her own car payment. She's got fucking cancer bills. She has a surgery she had on carpal tunnel. You gotta realize Kelly's a cancer survivor, so like we spend a lot of money on medical. And then there's other things like Kelly's, you know, we had to buy the races that Kelly goes on. Yeah, Kelly had thyroid cancer. She had it cut out. Like, I just spent $7,300 on air condition. I'm thinking about spending another $2,500 on redoing the subfloor of my kitchen with cheap stuff, right? Like, I'm talking about putting vinyl down. And even then, like I said before, like, I'm gonna need a roof in the next 2 years. I'm gonna need a hot water heater probably in the next 3. I don't know, like, with Mr. YOLO Dick Swagger threatening my job, like, I'm probably gonna hold off on spending money again, because I still got land taxes and car taxes to pay. That's probably $3 grand right there. Guys, don't report his channel. All that will do is bring more hate towards me. It'll fuel him trying to fuck with my life more. I don't know how he's threatening me. He just says I'm about to get fucked. And every time he says something, it usually means he has something on me. Because every time he's ever said something, it's always came true. I don't know what the troll drama is. I'm sure they can probably try to use that against me, since I said that they have paid me before. Maybe they were trying to use something like extortion, but that's not what it is. But the fact is, it's all about bots on YouTube. It's not about, like, you have to try the best as you possibly can to get in touch with somebody. And to get in touch with somebody on YouTube, you pretty much have to know somebody at YouTube. Like, I've always told the truth about it. I've never extorted anybody. Liquid Richard and Lean offered to pay me. Lummox, I don't think Lummox has ever paid me, honestly. I might have said he's paid me before, but I don't think he's ever actually paid me. He talked about it one time. I don't strike channels, for the most part. I understand that people naturally want to move in groups. But let me tell you a secret, man. Like, these people don't care about you. You're not a part of something bigger or greater. Like, all you're a part of is a bunch of people that want to feel like they're powerful by grouping up. It's not that they only care about money. I mean, like, go look at all the troll channels that ever been ousted. You can see a trend going. Damn it, son. These guys just rush as hard as humanly possible. Dude. Ugh. Nah, Tam, let's not. My goal is just to ignore the trolling. Just ignore it. Go on my life. Come on! Why you got... Ugh! So frustrating. Please, give me the fucking long shot, man! Like, you see this. Like people jump out of a gunfight all the fucking time.
Mission failed. Return to base.
Tier 1 does suck. Oh my fucking lord, quit helping me. Alright. I'm gonna get off right now, boys. Have I ever tried Dota 2? I have not, man. I don't really like Defense of the Ancients, mainly because it's more of it's a Warcraft 3 game that was made into a full game, and to me, like, it's StarCraft light. It's just not things. But I've never actually played it, no. Thank you for the donation, Lopez. I'm sorry if I missed it. I'll see you guys a little bit later. Thank you for coming out. I'm just out of it right now. Peace, people. Looks like this stream's getting deleted.